Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fade any image. As you can see, my image has no background. Let me show you, but it's okay. But the best way to use fading is better you first remove the background and put a different one. So after making sure your image is ready and clean, okay, so this is what you have to do. Tap on the image layer. When you look underneath the layers, you can see add the layer mask option where my cursor is. Add it there. Make sure when you come to the tools, make sure black is in front. Black means hiding, white means to reveal. We want to hide. So when you're after making sure black is in front, that means we are going to hide. After that, come here to the gradient tool, select it, move to the image, tap underneath, tap and hold, and then drag. You can see the effect. So it's all about you. How do you want to fade? You just drag, you just tap and hold and then drag. So that's how you create that effect. The fading effect on any image in Photoshop. Thank you so much guys. Love you. Subscribe.